The name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Respected President of this condolence meeting, Sayyid Sadiq Ali Shihab Tangalji, our Honorable Speaker Rajesh Ji, who has inaugurated this function. Our National General Secretary, Ali Janab Kunali Kuti MLA Sahab, Sri Mullaipalli Ramasandran, former President of the State Congress, Sri Swami Jnana Davasvi Ji, Reverend Bishop Paulus Moore Ji, Brother KPA Majid Sahab, Ibrahim Kunji Sahab, Ali Janab Sayyid Munawar Ali Shihab Tangal, Baba Sahab, and revered ulamas on the dais, brothers and sisters. We all gathered here to seek the blessings of God Almighty on the departed soul of our great leader, Sayyid Haider Ali Shihab Tangal Sahib. Death does not come due to disease. Death comes to everybody as it is preordained. Nobody can prevent death. What we can do is to seek the blessings of God for the departed soul. Our great leader who lived in our midst, to so saying, as though an angelic quality, a man of angelic quality in the human form. I am a humble servant of the community and Muslim League servant since 1956. In Khaidimul time, Abdur Rahman Bafaki Sahib Tam, C.H. Muhammad Goya's period, our former spiritual mentor, Sayyid Muhammad Ali Shihab Tangalji, our former National President Ahmad Sahib, and all the leaders, I have worked with them. But Haider Ali Shihab Tangal, who lived in our midst, always for us, as a man of innocence in every sense. Nobody can find fault with him. We have studied history, biographies of great men, as one who does everything according to the intention, expression, and action. Who is an integrated personality. Everybody has an intention. Intention is expressed. Expressed is put into action. One who integrate the intention, expression, and action is a rare genius in the midst of us. Haidar Ali Shihab Tangal was such a great genius, rare genius, who was known as a man of integrity. Therefore, wherever we found him, we used to say it is the wisdom that has come from Panakkad. From Tamil Nadu, we used to say Panakkad is not Panakkad for us, it is a Jnanakkad, the garden of wisdom. Therefore, from Panakkad, he was radiating his luster, his light throughout India. He may be called as the president of the State Muslim League. He honored the chair of All India Political Advisory Committee. In actuality, he was a leader of the Indian Muslim League. Therefore, we used to call him as the Imam of Hind, not as a leader of Indian Union Muslim League. We used to call him as the Imam of Hind. Therefore, such a great soul which lived in our midst as a symbol of peace, as an epitome of harmony and the harbinger of humanism. In him we found these are all great qualities. As far as the leader of the Indian Union Muslim League, he guided the community to follow Islam. At the same time, every Muslim in this country, whether he lives or he happens to be in any party, as a Muslim in this country, he has to carry in one hand the Holy Quran, in another hand the constitutional framework, the Indian Constitution. Every Muslim in this country should carry in one hand the Constitution of our country and the Holy Book. This is the advice given by great Haidar Ali Shihab Tangal to each and every one of us. Not only said it, he lived it. At the same time, he was a leader of the Indian Union Muslim League because Indian Union Muslim League is a rare political organization in the whole world. The world, in the Muslim countries, majorities are there, minorities are there. Wherever Muslims live as minorities should find in the example of the Indian Union Muslim League as the real, potential, useful political organizations. Indian Union Muslim League has set as the example to be followed by Muslims wherever they live in minorities. This is the lesson he had taught us. This is the legacy he has left behind. Therefore, as Muslims of India, when they get united in political field, he said to us, we Muslims of India should get united not to oppose anybody, not to do harm to anyone, to help the country to grow and develop along with the community. That is the idea that he has given us. Therefore, the golden ideas that he has given to us are before us. As a dutiful citizens of this great nation, we have to follow those noble ideals, noble principles, the noble ideals that He has left us, He has given us, are ever to be followed by Muslims of India. That is the message that we receive and get from the life of Hyder Ali Shihab Tangal. Therefore, we all mingle together, gather together to pray for his soul, to rest in peace. May God Almighty, the gracious, the merciful, shower His choicest blessings upon the departed soul, the great leader who lived in midst of us as not only as a leader, as a guide, as a mentor, as the real angelic person in the form of a human form. May Allah bless him. We all pray to his God to bless him, bless him, bless him. Assalamu alaikum.